Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2020 for you, friends. This is the exercise number 45. We will learn the use of sketch, smart dimension, circle command, line command, trim command, boss extrude command, and extruded cut command from this SolidWorks 2020 free exercise video. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular exercise. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Left click on front plane and choose sketch. Right click and drag.
Now take circle command. Now take the line command.
Select for construction. Repeat as earlier. Diameter is 60 mm. Right click and drag.
Now select smart dimension.
Diameter is 50 mm.
Now take trim entities command.
Right click and drag.
Now take the line command.
Width is 20 mm.
Now go to the features menu and choose extrude command. Press OK.
Right click on the top plane and select sketch. Take center rectangle command. Width is 10 mm.
Now select smart dimension.
Width is 5 mm. From featured menu select extrude cut command. Select through all.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.